My name is Josh. I'm with AirData UAV. We're a fleet management solution, which is kind of a big umbrella term that we're essentially a tool that allows you to further manage and organize all of your fleets, your UAS fleets, pilot management, certification management, checklists, reporting, all of the tools and nuts and bolts it takes to run a UAS program on a day-to-day basis. So everything that involves being able to deal with the performance of the aircraft, so keeping track of things like error codes, tips, warnings, battery voltage metrics, error codes coming from the batteries of the aircraft itself. We do have advanced maintenance protocols that you can build out within our solution. We also have our advanced checklist functionality. It's available right on our mobile app, offline on the smart controller, the control device, and the equipment itself. So it's very lightweight, easy to use in the field. You don't need cell connectivity to be able to access all of that data. We also, for large-scale operations, we have different tools that are surrounding pilot management. So keeping track of things like if your pilots fly too high, too far, too fast, things like that, too long, too low battery voltage, as well as items like keeping track of their Part 107 licensing, keeping track of the amount of flights that they've completed in X number of days in order to maintain currency, as well as finding out if they're doing anything that would potentially put the company at risk of falling out of compliance. We also have things like LAMP authorization and a bunch of other tools that primarily are surrounding just the nuts, like I said, the nuts and bolts of running a UAS program.